Alright y'all, so I finally made it to the hair factory. So here it is, and give y'all a little look of it or whatever. Hold on, I'm gonna show y'all the whole scenery real quick before I actually go in. So it's different stores on this block. We're gonna go ahead and go in. Alright, so I'm just going to give y'all a walkthrough of the hair factory store. So on this back wall, you guys can see that is just a display of wigs, and each wig has a price tag attached to it. And then on the right side of the store, on this side, is all 9A grade hair, and then underneath 9A you guys will see the hair texture. So there's water wave, deep wave, straight, and so on. So they have a selection of different bundles, closures, as well as frontals, and then here's a small selection of HD frontals. Y'all can see that they have really good prices on their bundles as well, but we're going to get more into the prices next. So they have multiple sheets laid out on different bundle deals where you can pick between 9A or 10A grade, and so you can choose between a bundle deal with a Swiss lace or HD lace, and with a closure or a frontal as well. Now on the other side, they have all their 613 bundles, and one thing I did not see that I noticed was any frontals or any closures, and that's because they sold out. But the good thing about anything that sells out is that you can put your name on a waiting list and they will call you when they have it back in stock. And then they also have all their 10A bundles and closures and frontals on this side as well. Now towards the front of the store, they have all 13x4 frontal wigs on display. Now this is the wig that I ended up purchasing, and one thing about their frontal wigs is that they didn't have any HD frontal wigs available in store, because again they all sold out. But again, if there's something that you want, you can always put your name down and get on their waiting list. They also got strip eyelashes too, so you'll see those when you walk right in the store. Now she's getting ready to show me one of her 20-inch body wave wigs. Now this is a 13x4 Swiss lace frontal wig, and all of their wigs have a pre-plucked hairline, and all of their hair, whether it's the wigs or the bundles, stretches 2 inches longer. So this is really like a 22-inch, and all of their frontals are very full and very thick. Now the inside construction of their wigs, it comes with 4 combs and adjustable straps at the bottom, and all of their frontals go ear to ear. All of their frontals are also one size fits all. Now we're going to go ahead and take a look at their 20-inch deep wave Swiss lace closure wig. The last one was a frontal. This is a closure. Their deep wave hair is one of their best sellers. Their frontal deep wave wigs are one of their best sellers, but since they didn't have any deep wave wigs, she's going to go ahead and show me their closure deep wave wig, and it also comes pre-plucked. All of their wigs in frontals and closures comes pre-plucked already. Now I'm just taking a quick look at their HD lace frontal and their Swiss lace frontal, and to me the Swiss lace frontal looks just as good as the HD lace frontal. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna just give y'all one more run through of the store and what it looks like. But their store hours, if you ever plan on visiting this store, is from 10:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Monday to Saturday. They are closed on Sundays. Another thing, if you ever plan on starting your own hairline and want to sell hair, they do offer different prices for if you want to buy things in bulk, and so definitely think about this store if you ever think about starting your own hairline.